What's up, maniacs? Today we gotta do something different. We gotta do some unmods. Yeah, we gotta take some stuff off, set it back to stock. But let's start undoing some of these mods. First one we'll undo is the sport antenna. Just a simple twist off. Put this gigantic one back on. And we'll put this one back in the box. There we go, one done. The next thing we need to unmod are these courtesy lights underneath the door. These are the original ones that don't have any logos or anything. I'm gonna take out the ones that I put in that have logos because they got the cool little interchangeable logos, so I can choose between a couple of different things. So we're gonna take those out and put the stock ones back in. So let's do that. Another thing we need to unmod is the key. And the final mod we're gonna undo is this cold air intake. So we're gonna take off the filter, take off the inlet pipe, remove the sensor, take out the box. We'll probably remove the ducting just to get it out of the way for a minute. And then put the stock one back on. So yeah, let's get to it. Now we'll remove the sensor. Now the filter. Inlet pipe out. And there's the box. Now we just put the original back in. And finally, the ductwork. So that's it for the unmods. We've done the antenna, the welcome lights, the intake, and the key. And I need to undo these because I need to get rid of this car. I'll explain why in the next video, so make sure you subscribe so you hear that in the next video. But yeah, have any questions, leave them below. Have any comments, also leave them below. And don't forget to wave. Catch you in the next one.